Hello everyone, Morgan here. Today I'm going to be making a depression chocolate cake. So basically what this means is that it's just egg free and dairy free. Like, you know, in the depression it was kind of hard to come across a lot of super fresh veggies, or not veggies, but super fresh things like milk, like eggs, meat, things like that. I prep powdered milk and powdered eggs, but you know, it never hurts to find different ways of doing things. So let's do it. This is a pretty straightforward cake. Everything is the same as you would make in like a regular chocolate cake. All-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking soda. And with this, you know, because it's a chocolate cake, you're also doing cocoa powder. The only differences are the cooking oil and the vinegar, as well as using some water. These are replacing the eggs and the dairy essentially. But look at that. It mixes up beautifully. I mean, it looks like a chocolate cake. I couldn't ask for anything better. It looks fantastic. Oh yeah, and I forgot the vanilla. It looks and acts just like cake. It looks like a perfect batter. Just go ahead and put it in your baking dish. We got this one from the Pioneer Woman. I love it. Just kind of making it as even as possible. Looks great. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. I just tasted a little bit of the batter and I don't know, tastes like chocolate cake to me. So we're also going to make the icing from scratch. Let's do that. The icing is also straightforward. It uses powdered sugar, cocoa powder, water, vanilla. This is a very typical way of making a standard icing like this, chocolate icing. So it mixes up great. It's perfect. It's like the perfect icing for this cake because it's so easy and uses those little ingredients. Once the cake is cooled for about an hour, then you'll put the icing on and just spread it on. You know, this makes just enough icing to completely cover it, and it is made a perfect amount. So, oh, it's so beautiful. It's so glossy and sheeny, bright. Man, this is like the most perfect looking cake. Look at how pretty it is. I don't even want to cut into it. Whew. But I did because we want to eat it and not look at it. So I decided to go ahead and cut it up and let's do some taste tests. Don't worry, I'm getting out the other slices. I'm getting everything out of that place. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's see if it'll pass the kid test. Okay.
Hold on.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
Amber.
trying frosting first.
Yeah.
Frosting really good.
Good? All right. Try the cake.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right. Kid approved.
Good time. Good time.
Want another bite?
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
That worked.
What's
Like
yummy?
something.
All right. Now it's our turn.
Oh, what you guys?
Still a little warm.
Yeah, I get it by myself.
It's very good.
Well, that's a little good. I really wanted a boy, baby. I really was hoping.
It's very good. You know, it doesn't have the dairy in it, so it's a little like it's very fluffy, but it's also kind of got like a like it squishes easy. I don't know how to describe it, but it's good. It's not bad. It's good. We always have vinegar, cooking oils, these kinds of things. There's lots of other substitutions you can do for like dairy and milk and stuff like that. So this was a fun little experiment and it's very good. I like it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't get them around by preparing today. Bye-bye.